So first, we need to make sure that the stem is on center with the cup. And we do that by spinning it. We can see it's just a little bit off center, so you can tap it just a little bit. It doesn't want to tap too much because it's so stuck with the goopy connection that we've made. But you can just kind of move it with your hand. It doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to come back in and trim this. That's pretty close. That's going to be good enough. So the first thing you want to do is push down with a wet sponge on this flange. That's going to give really good compression and make these two pots be stuck together. And you can push in on the cup. We can do some of our final shaping before we trim, just by moving this clay around with our sponge, pressing. Now, it's also really important on the inside. You can't see it, but where I made all that scoring, there's stuff just kind of gloppy and sticking around. So I really want to get my finger in there and smooth that out. It's really important. So that looks pretty good. It looks pretty level. We do need to let this set for a day before we trim it. But we've got the basic form of our goblet. And we'll come back in tomorrow, put it back on the Giffen grip, and trim out a nice little detail here at the neck.